Everybody, it's Coach Williams. I'm back with another video, and what I want to do today is, guess what I got? I finally got me some glasses, so I guess I'll be able to see. But they just happen to be Meta glasses, Oakley, with the Oakley frame, which are much more comfortable than the Ray-Bans. So anyway, initially I had the Ray-Bans, and the Ray-Bans were so uncomfortable. So I got these Metas. This is the second gen. I ain't worried about all that. I barely use them. All the AI and all the stuff in there. So now it's got more stuff. But anyway, just to be honest with you, I got them because I like Oakleys. I wear Oakleys, and they're very comfortable. They don't wrap around the back of my ears, and they don't make my ears hurt. So I'm going to see how these work out. If these are comfortable, then I'll definitely be backing these, and I'll be staying with the Oakley brand anyway. So I got about 4 or 5 pair of Oakleys, but these, I just want to unbox it and show you what we had today in this video. All right, so here we go. We got the Oakleys, the Meta. I'm going to unbox it and just see what's in here. So let's just see what we have here. So all right, I got a box inside of a box. All right, so I'm going to twist it around. How's it look? I don't know. All right, so here we go. Oakley Metas. Let me see what's in here. Wow, this might be a real... Oh, that fell down. Oh, boom, bam. Wow. All right, and you see here, look at this. The case is nice. It has a button on the back. I guess that's for pairing, if you can see that. I don't know if you can see that. I know this camera I have doesn't focus that well, but it's such a good camera. All right, so now I'm going to open it up. Here's the big reveal. So you see I got this case. I got these glasses inside. It's got a little pull tab on here, and I guess you pull this tab. But first, let me see what else I got. So that's pretty nice the way that unboxed. That's really nice. That's a great unboxing experience. It looks down here, it just tells me to scan to get started, as you notice right there. But anyway, as I pull this out, I have, some regular paperwork. I guess I'll pluck that and throw it away or file it or something. All right, so I'll file this stuff away. Safety and warranty. I mean, how unsafe can these glasses be? But there you go, safety and warranty. And I'll put that paperwork away. And then I get a towel or a rag here. And I can take this rag for cleaning. So that'll give me a few cleans. So that's pretty much all that's in the box. Now it's got a little tab here and tells me to pull the tab out. So I pulled the tab out. It told me to scan this right here. Now, it's flashing white. I don't know, can you see that? It's flashing white. So anyway, I'll connect it up and everything, and then I'll give you some more information about it. And then here's the glasses. Now you got to pull them up out of here, and I'm pulling it up out of here, and got a fingerprint on here, so I'm gonna use the rag to clean it. And I'm gonna put them on, and I'm gonna see what we got. All right. I'll get back to you on another video. I appreciate it. That's pretty nice. Pretty nice. They look really well. I got the brown. I didn't want the black, so I got the brown. You can see the cameras on them. And the arms are kind of thick, and it looks like it's a lot of mechanical stuff in there.
Go straight back, plays video.
And so there you have it, okay? The Oakley Metas. I'm looking at the design. Hopefully these will be comfortable. All right. See you on the next one.